another video. We're on the squishy game again. So yeah, we're on the squishy game again. It's a really good game. And y'all, we didn't get to send, I think, this squishy was another squishy. I just want to send this one out so bad because it was cool. So I'm going to try the gift thing one more time because it didn't want to work last time. So this is my gift. And you're good. So yeah. Who will I send it to? Don't worry about these people up here on top. It's just some people. It's not really a big deal. I don't know because I'll figure out that stuff later. I might have to cut that people up there out the video because those are really important people. This is Squish. This is for you. You guys know I tried to send this to someone. That's why I said it's for you. I'm still trying to figure that out. But you guys have to comment which one of you. This is glitter. I know it's a weird name, but think of glitter, but a baby form. Glitter. It's really, really cute, and this is my favorite squishy by far. It's very cute. So yeah, that's the deal about that. And of course, IQ sucks. Yeah, IQ sucks. I might have to cut this part of the video out too, because this is a technical difficulty with ads here. Do you guys want to make a chocolate bar? I could make a chocolate bar. So this is a very neat chocolate bar. Nah, that color's way too basic. Perfect. And then I might want to use it for this too, because you know the wrapper has to be the same. Might maybe up here a white tape silver. The chocolate bar itself looks very good. A brown? Can I get brown? What? I can't get brown. I swear. I gotta use a glitter brown just to, oh, this actually doesn't look bad. No, I messed up my whole entire squishy. That's the one thing I don't like about this game, guys, is that you have to, if you even think about touching something, it's gonna affect the whole entire squishy. This video will be only 10 minutes long. What should we call him? Sven. No. Rainbow. No, this looks more like funny. I'm gonna be doing the crew today. This is Funny's chocolate bar. Since it's blue, it goes to Funny. It looks pretty much like her favorite color, so yeah. That's Funny's. For Rainbow, she's gonna probably need Princess works on Dracos because she's my second favorite from the crew. We can do this. A shark. Draco loves the color green. I don't want to make this too basic here, so no. I don't want to make this too basic at times. There goes his teeth. There has to be more things. Whoa. This looks sick, but this isn't Draco. Is this kind of better? And maybe this kind of better? But yeah, I couldn't think of anything else for Draco. I know I'm not that creative. Whoa! I made this one thing. Yeah, but this is Draco. This is going actually pretty quick. Draco is a dragon, but we don't have dragons. Or do we? I'll look in my inventory and see if we have dragons. Do we have dragons? If we don't have dragons, then no, we don't have dragons. Time to make Lunar. Lunar is a very dark person. She's very good at art, so I'm gonna make Rainbow. Let's do Rainbow first. I'm gonna make her a donut. Yeah, that's Rainbow's frosting for her donut. I need a type of pink or something. Rainbow loves the color pink. I wish I could find an animal that looks like her. Whoa. Whoa, no. Now the donut looks too plain. But yeah, this is Rainbow. Almost. Rainbow as food. No, the simple one and wrong. It's supposed to be this simple. Rainbow as food. These squishies are really plain. I know you guys are probably seeing that. But we got 3 done. Time for gold. Gold. I'm gonna use an animal, but not many animals to choose from. Gold will be an owl. She loves the color yellow. Whoa. So that looked really pretty, but I didn't want to waste any money on it. This is gold right here. I don't care how much yellow I put, but as long as it's their colors, I don't care. Do you guys, I made 4 members of the crew. I'll make another member of the crew, which is Lunar. But I have to, another ad. I have to cut this up video now. Random. Okay, the ad is over. So let's act like. Yeah, this is the end of the video. I will do Lunars. I will mail these out to fans. In my Discord. Maybe just show you guys some squishies and say who won them. Again, this is funny. Draco. Rainbow as food. And gold, very glittery. But yeah, I'll make, I have to cut this out real soon. Or if I can't cut it, you guys will just see ads. Yeah. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Bye. See you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Bye.